Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly pair your Xiaomi earbuds 3T Pro with any iPhone. Okay, so to do this, first of all we have to input both earbuds inside this charging case, and next, when you rotate the case, in this place you can find the button. We have to click and hold it until this indicator on the front starts blinking. As you can see right now, we can release that button. It's blinking, as you can see. So we have to keep that case open, put it close to our iPhone, then go to the settings, select Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and take a look for our other devices. We can find our Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro, so click on them once. Right now we are successfully connected, and next I can recommend you to go for the App Store and download the Xiaomi application, where we'll be able to unlock more features. So let's do this right now. We have to get this application, click to install, and in my case I have to confirm with the password. Okay, and now just be patient and wait a little bit until the download will be finished. Let's open. We have to accept everything that will pop right here. We have to choose our region, in my case that's the Poland. We have to get the firmware updates. So we can do this right now or later. I'm gonna do this later actually, but you can click next and download. And here we can add our earphones. So let's click to add the earphones, click OK. And as you can see, when you previously connect them from the Bluetooth settings, we can find them already right here. If you cannot find them right here, you just have to enter this pairing mode manually one more time, so use this button at the bottom. So select them. As you can see, we are connecting, so just wait, and here we are. Right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.